Hey, what's up, people? Maybe Screw has just revealed one of the major criteria for the Screw airdrop. Who knows? Announcing the Screw Origins NFT. Yeah, so yesterday they came up with this idea of asking the people to deploy a smart contract on the Screw mainnet, and everyone that goes ahead to deploy a contract will be getting the Screw Origin NFT. I'm going to allow you to read all this for yourself, but I'll quickly show you the eligibility criteria to get this NFT. There are 3 categories, and let's take a look at them. Okay, here is eligibility. How do you become eligible for this Origin NFT? Everyone who deploys a smart contract to Screw mainnet within 60 days of Genesis block, that is from October 10th, will be eligible for one of the 3 types of NFT offered in 3 stages of deployment. The first stage is the Quantic, deployed to Screw mainnet within 30 days of Genesis block before November 9, 2023. Then you'll be eligible for the Quantic NFT. The second one is the Quantic, deployed to Screw mainnet within 30 to 45 days of Genesis block, that is before November 24th, 2023, and you'll be eligible for the Quantic NFT. And the final one is the Cubic, deployed to Screw mainnet within 45 to 60 days of Genesis block, that is before December 9th, 2023. You'll be eligible for the Cubic NFT. Okay, and I will advise that as soon as you see this video, go ahead and deploy a smart contract, which I'll be showing you in this video how to do that exactly, so you become eligible for the first NFT, which is the Quantic. I believe that this would be the biggest NFT, of course. I went on to announce that there will be extra surprises for exceptional contracts. Okay, and the claiming period will be from the 14th of December 2023. Okay, so this, in my opinion, might become very vital for the Screw airdrop. Now, before I go ahead to show you how to deploy a smart contract on Screw mainnet, Bybit has announced that they will be launching the Celestia pool on the 31st of October. And do you know that you can get some of these tokens to yourself? Aside from farming the Celestia token in their pool, you can get some of those tokens as an airdrop. Whether you have received originally from Celestia or not, you can still become eligible for this very airdrop from Bybit. Okay, how exactly can you become eligible for this airdrop? It is very simple. If you have an account already with Bybit via the link I've been posting in this channel, then all you have to do is to deposit a minimum of $100 in your Bybit account. Make sure it is the account you use to register via the link I've been posting in this channel. And if you don't have an account with Bybit, you can still partake in this airdrop. All you have to do also is to register via the link in the description, make a deposit of $100, pass your KYC. You can use your international passport, national ID, or driver's license to verify that you are a human. As soon as you pass the KYC, go ahead and deposit $100 in your Bybit account. This $100 is your money. You can withdraw it at any time. But make sure you leave the funds for at least 1 week. If you miss the snapshot, you are definitely not going to be included in the airdrop. So this is an advice from someone who really cares about you. Yes. So go ahead and make a deposit right now, and you become eligible for the Celestia airdrop from Bybit. All the links will be in the description. Sign up right now. Okay, let's go ahead and deploy a smart contract on Screw mainnet. The first thing you have to do is to bridge from Ethereum mainnet into the Screw mainnet. That is, if you have not done that before this time. So this is the Screw native bridge. Enter the amount of Ether you want to bridge to the Screw mainnet. It takes at least 20 minutes to arrive into your Screw mainnet account. You can also decide to use the auto bridge. There are so many bridges out there, but when you use the auto bridge, you're going to be earning from $1 to $100 just by using this bridge to bridge into the Screw mainnet. If you do that at least 3 to 5 times, you are definitely going to win some free money for yourself. Okay, now make sure you already have some funds in your Scroll mainnet, because you're going to be needing that in order to deploy a smart contract. Now there are two different places where we can decide to deploy a smart contract on Scroll or any other mainnet or testnet. The first one is the Thirdweb.com, and the second one, which most of us are very familiar with, is the remix.ethereum.org. I've used this one for demonstration severally in this channel. I believe you already know how it works. So we can decide to use either of them, but I'm going to be showing you how to use both of them for the same purpose. Now the first one is the Thirdweb, and this is very simple to use. So first you need to get started. Make sure you have switched your account to the Scroll mainnet. Now scroll down and click on deploy a contract. Okay, I've used this in the past. As you can see, I have deployed two different contracts here, one for ZK Sync Era and the other for Linear Testnet. Okay, you can still go ahead to deploy, especially for ZK Sync. By the time I'm done showing you how to do it on Scroll, you can use the same method to do it on ZK Sync. But if this is your first time of using the Thirdweb, they will ask you to register. Just go ahead and enter your email and the rest of them and confirm that the email is yours. Sign in with your MetaMask wallet and confirm that the address is also yours. Along the line, you will see where they'll be asking you to subscribe by entering your debit card or credit card details. You just go ahead and click on I will do that later and you'll be fine. When you're here, you can click on explore or go to contracts to find yourself in this very place. So once you're here, the next thing you have to do is to click on deploy contract, and then it brings you right here. You can deploy an NFT or you can deploy a token. In today's video, we're going to be deploying a token. So we click on this and make sure you're using the latest. As you can see, this is 1.0.8, which is the latest. If you click on this, you will see the other versions. So ensure you're using the latest. Then next you click on deploy now. Then give your token a name. For me, I'll give it Crypto Prince as usual. Yeah, Crypto Prince 100K. And then give it a symbol. I have a symbol right here, which is this, but this time I'll add scroll on it. Okay, and then describe your token. Yeah, Crypto Prince 100K is for the community. You can decide to upload a file. It is all your choice. If you don't want to upload any file, it is also good, but I'll be going ahead to upload a file. And now my file has been uploaded. The next thing I have to do is to click on deploy now. Okay, your MetaMask wallet is going to pop up for you to go ahead to confirm this transaction. And here we go. This is going to cost us about 68 cents. I saw a lot of people on Twitter or X complaining that the gas fee is high. I don't really know where they got that from, but this is just very okay. So now we'll confirm it. Next step is adding to dashboard, which is to sign a gasless transaction. This one, you're not paying anything for it. So just sign in and you're good to go. And that is it. Successfully deployed contract. Okay, we move to the next stage, which is to mint a token. Just scroll down a little, you will see first token minted. Head to token.tab to mint your first token. Now click on this link right here. It brings you straight to this very place where you now have to mint your own token. You need to enter your total supply of your token, and this token is owned by you, and this is your decimal, which is 18. So how do you mint or make a supply? You head straight to plus mint, and here you're going to enter your total supply. I'll just be minting about 10,000 of this token, and next I'll click on mint tokens. Of course, you need to sign or confirm this in your MetaMask. And that is 13 cents. Again, very okay. I'll confirm it. It's actually minting. Hope you can see it. And we have just minted our token successfully. Take a look right here. You will see I have 10,000 of CPI Scroll, which is the name of my token. It also shows that I own 10,000 of this token. The next thing you want to do, if you're interested, is to go ahead to burn some of these tokens. For example, when you click on burn, you can decide to enter any amount of the token and you go ahead to burn it. Okay, the next thing again you can try to do is to transfer this token to any address or wallet of your choice, and you confirm that in your MetaMask and you'll be good to go. But if you decide not to do any of these, it is still fine. But remember that they say there will be a surprise for those that will be doing something extra with their contract. So I will advise that you go ahead to burn and transfer some of these tokens to any wallet of your choice. I hope this is making sense, because I'm going to be doing that later on. So this is how to deploy a contract on the thirdweb.com platform. Now, before we use the remix, there's something I want to show you which is quite interesting. There is this project that ZK-Sync announced recently. This is the Grvt exchange. ZK-Sync announced them and they are actually making waves already. They have promised an airdrop and people are already securing a position in this platform. Now, these are the number of persons already in this platform. This project to me looks like post-hacking. Remember the hacking era where we had to refer people to register and we earned some good funds. Both those that referred and those that registered actually earned something good. What you have to do is to use the link in the description to sign up right now. By the time you sign up, you're going to get about 10 Grvt points, and the next phase is right here. So they have 3 stages, which is the phase 0. This is the phase 0 right now, where you just have to register in order to become part of the community or become an ambassador. Then after the phase 0, we get straight to the phase 1, where it will be invite only waitlist with limited invite codes. So make sure you're in the phase 0 so that you don't struggle for the phase 1. Then the phase 2 has to do with open beta with a trading competition. Remember, this is an exchange on the ZK-Sync era. So make sure you take this opportunity right now that you can and position for a possible retroactive airdrop. All right, let's go straight to the final one, which is remix.ethereum.org. Okay, once you're here, you need to set up a working environment for the Screw smart contract deployment. So we click on the 3 dots at the top left, okay, and then we click on plus create, and it will give you this option to enter your workspace name. Of course, we are using Screw. We're going to enter Screw Workplace. Okay, I hope you're following this carefully. All right, so this is Screw Workplace. Then you okay it. That is it. So the next thing we have to do is to create a file. You can create a new file from here, or you can go straight to the icon you can see on the left hand side. Just click on it. You have the option to enter your own file. So we're going to be creating the scroll.so, and that is our file. After that, you just click on this. Now you have this empty space where you need to enter the code in order to deploy a smart contract. I'm going to get the code and I'll leave it in the description for you as well. I just got the code, so I'll paste it in right now. Then okay this, here we go. And the next thing we're going to do is to compile this code. We head straight to Solidity compiler. Click on this and click on compile scroll.so. Updating compiler version to match current contract, the pragma blah blah blah. That is successful. The next thing is to deploy and run transactions. So click on this. And now before we do that, we need to change the environment by clicking on the Remix VM. Here we're going to select the injected provider, which is for MetaMask. Click on it. And now we are good to deploy the smart contract. Click on deploy right here. Hope you can see it. Your MetaMask pops up for you to confirm this transaction. Again, you're going to be paying around 63 cents, which is very okay. I'll confirm this. This is successful. Here is our block right now, and we have a contract which is also right here. So now we have just deployed a smart contract on the Thirdweb and also on the remix.ethereum.org. So this is all you have to do. If you want to take it to the next level, remember to go and make transfers and burn your tokens. Okay, the next and final thing you have to do is to check your eligibility right now. So Scroll has provided a platform where you'll be able to check in advance if you're eligible to claim the Origins NFT. Right here is the remaining days, about 43 days left to go. So do this as soon as possible. Then scroll down to check if you're eligible. But remember, you just deployed this contract. You may not be eligible immediately. Just give it like 2 hours to 5 hours to come back and check, just in case it's telling you you're not eligible. So I'll just click on check eligibility. Oh, that is great. It means it's now working instantly. You can see you are eligible to mint the NFT. Come back on the 15th of December 2023 to claim it. Wow, guys, this is amazing. Do this immediately in order not to miss this very NFT, which I believe is going to be the biggest amongst them all. Thank you so much for watching. I believe that you got value. Please smash the like button and share this video. Subscribe also if you're yet to do that, and turn on the notification bell. I'll definitely see you in my next one. And don't forget, we are gonna make it. Bye.